Yo, what is good, everybody? It's another video here at the channel. Jess Whips. This is just a video of a kind of day in the life, just kind of vlog. It's a nice little Saturday here in Florida. Today's docket, it's pretty chill day. We're gonna hit the gym this morning. Today's a PR day. Fuck yeah. Week 10 of a squat cycle my fiance put together. So today's day 1 of week 10 will be PR front squats, so I'll get some videos of that shit. Let y'all see what the fuck I hit. Not sure how I'm feeling. I hit 275 a couple months ago, so let's see if we can get some 300s. If not, no big deal. Other than that, after that, the boy Brett, he's gonna come over with his q50. We're gonna throw his diffuser on. We'll do a little tutorial video there. I have my undershroud, may put that on. We'll see where we get, because we're gonna go do some rollers at 2 and get some quality content and see what we can get. We're gonna do my car, my fiance's car, her scat pack, and then probably Brett's car, if he wants some content. He said he didn't want any, but I'm sure he's gonna want some. So other than that, we're just gonna be chill day, hit the gym, get some food, throw some car parts on, and get some rollers. So other than that, let's get in the video.
Few minutes later.
Nice. Alright, we're back at it. Boy Brett, he's over here with the Q50. About to throw the diffuser on. Fucking. Sheesh. Got the sheesh boys in here, man. Shit. Boy got them thick old fucking meats. All kinds. A little clean ass Q50. Threw some spacers on. Bitch is looking fucking mighty clean. Shit. So we got a little Q50.
Wait, so are you
rear diffuser install?
This is wired, right?
Alright, so if you get the diffuser with the third brake light wire, which would be this fucking guy, you basically gotta pull your whole fucking trunk, is what Brett's fucking doing now. Just this thing. Take all this fucking shit out. And there's a little hole underneath. Just a little rubber flange that gets pulled out, and you feed the wire up through there and up and around.
How about I just bring this
and to either brake light. There, yeah. Right there. And then you just feed it to one of the tail lights and hook that bitch up. So we're gonna line that bitch up. I'm gonna take the 3M tape off, heat it up, get that bitch on, and screw her in. So. looking fucking spicy. Shit. So, after you get the tape all secured down, take some screws, last little bit of securing, and we're good to go. That's the less powerful drill too. I got one that's got more kick than that. That's the little baby trim drill.
A little trim drill.
What a fucking dripped out.
Okay, I think that shit just kind of ate through it.
Fucking blang, man. Huh?
But you kind of a little tough on that one.
Alright. Was that like 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Shit was fucking cake. Alright, so all we gotta do is feed the wire. And we're Gucci. So here we are. Final result. Looking spicy. Alright. Probably about easy install as you can get. So
It took you guys like 3 minutes.
on to fucking rollers. Alright y'all, that's pretty much the end of today's video. You know, we hit the gym, hit a PR at 290, as you guys saw that video I put in there. And then we put the diffuser on, Brett's car, his Q50. Super easy install, probably about 15-20 minutes. It's pretty easy when you have a second pair of hands. So if y'all are looking to do that on your Q50, Q60, hopefully that helps y'all out. Pretty simple. Other than that, we got our rollers in, pictures and videos. Use the new camera, this one that I'm shooting on now, and we got to use the new Ronin RS3 Mini Gimbal. So the first time using camera and gimbal, came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how it came out for the first time using it to get rollers. So after I'm done talking here, I'll just leave a little clip after this of the shots that we got of my car and my fiance's car, the Scat Pack. And let me know what y'all think. Maybe I'll have to do some montages of some rollers and stuff like that in the future. But if y'all want any rollers or, you know, photography, just hit me up on my car page, Jess Q60S, or go to the Majestic Media page and hit me up if y'all want some shoots. So other than that, if y'all like today's video, just a simple kind of vlog of, you know, stuff that I'm doing, leave a comment of anything that you guys recommend on me doing, or stuff that you guys want to see on the channel, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate the love, the support. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.
The robbers, I was just trying to give me some dollars, a couple dollars, turn my pennies from hundreds to common. I'm so happy them days are behind us.
I ride by different spots, I get flashbacks. I can't get on your level, I'm past that. Watch me run that shit up, I can't go back to none. Trying to get to the top of the world. My nigga went crazy, walked in this corner and seen someone fucking this girl. Fuck all that spinning block, that's that little boy shit we catchin', we rockin' this world. I let everybody have their fun with me. Never had a woman say she done with me. I was working now on the company. I keep money coming in constantly. My little brody done be having runs for cheap. Trying to get it, I've been on the run for weeks. Don't think none of you niggas could come for me. Both of my kids got it honestly. I'm the real deal. All the way on half step. Gotta do better than last year. That's my motto. Put a switch on the blick for the auto. Put them things on the plane like I'm Rollo. Proud to say that I finally changed up. Why the fuck they keep bragging my name up? Cause I'm poppin'. I can never go back to the old days. No way, back to walking to work on a cold day. Back to thinking my ex was my soulmate. Back to telling myself it'll be okay. We'll be okay. Was surviving out roaming in OJ. I was paying the bills, I had no say. I can never go back to the bottom. To the bottom. Selling drugs, never know when the cops come. Niggas jealous, they wanted to rob us. I was just trying to give me